Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, August the 22nd. My name is Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Clint, I'm kit manager.
So without further ado, let's get started.
All right, starting off, first thing we want to talk about are these deals we have on summertime from Moda. We've got layer cakes that are on sale. We've got fat quarter bundles on sale. We've got 1 yard cuts for $9.96. And the patterns on this summertime from Moda collection are floral, stripes, checks, and plaids in colors of red, yellow, blue, green, pink, orange, and cream. So definitely make sure you snag these deals on summertime before they melt away.
Next, I want to highlight Gentler Times from Riley Blake. With this, we have patterns, the 108-inch wide backings, fat quarter bundles, honeybee garden sew-along kits, pretty pairs runner kits, templates, needle minders, charms, and so much more on top of the full yard collection. With this, you can expect patterns such as florals, petals, vines, and other basic prints in colors of basil, tea rose, raisin, cider, lettuce, raindrop, butterscotch, coral, and so many more. We do have one of these bundles behind us. As you can see, it is quite large, has a lot of prints in there. If you're interested in checking out any of this ginormous group, you can go take a breath of fresh air with Gentler Times.
Now let's talk about 3-2-1 Blast Off from Moda. With this collection, we've got the Blast Off quilt kits, the Robots in Space quilt kits, charm packs, backpack panels, 36-inch block panels, as well as the full collection of yardage. This collection features patterns like rockets, robots, texts and words, constellations and stars in colors of blue, red, green, orange, and cream. So why not go to space with 3-2-1 Blast Off?
Next up, we have Snowman's Village from Marcus. With this, we have the Snowman's Village runner kits, also the full yard collection. You can have patterns such as snow globes, winter wonderland, stars, snow, words, and pine trees in blue, sky, navy, and quite a bit of cream. It's a really nice looking group with very simple designs. If you're interested in this group for your next project, grab your coat and head to the Snowman's Village.
Next up, something we do not want you to miss out on is Cardinal Celebration from Wilmington. With this collection, we've got 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, tote bag kits, as well as assorted yardage. This group features patterns of cardinals, poinsettias, berries, greenery, snowflakes, and plaids in colors of red, green, black, and cream. So definitely do not miss out on this one and celebrate the beauty of the holiday season with Cardinal Celebration.
Next up, I want to highlight our Villa Rosa Pattern Cards. This is for the August release. With this, we have patterns of Ladybanks, Jasper, Jolene, Graded, and Snapshot. With this, you can either select to get a hard copy or a PDF version. These are $2 priced on our website, so very quick and easy to get your project started. So if you are wanting to start one of these cool projects, you can go create your masterpiece with our Villa Rosa patterns.
Now let's talk about Neighborhood Association from Studio E. You want to hurry because this collection is almost gone. With this collection, we've got assorted yardage as well as the 36-inch panels. And this collection features patterns of donkeys, carrots, newspaper ads, dots, cheater patches, stripes, and leaves in colors of blue, green, purple, pink, and brown. So with this one, choose Neighborhood Association for your next amusing project.
Next up, I want to highlight one of our hot pre-orders. This is the Lantern Quilt Kit. This is featuring the You Are My Sunshine from Timeless Treasures. This kit is priced at $89.96. And like I said, this is a pre-order, so we're expecting to get these in November to December. And once we get those, we'll send it out to you. So if you're interested in checking out this pre-order, go make a quilt that resonates by pre-ordering the Lanterns Quilt Kit.
Next, we want to highlight our 1 yard cuts. Our $9.96 1 yard wonders are always in stock, and we're adding new prints all the time. These are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. There's no cutting table required. Multiples won't be continuous, but each one's a little gem on its own. Check back often. You never know what'll pop up next. Why not buzz on over to our website to check out our 1 yard cuts?
Next, I want to go into our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode and put it onto this week's episode. So this week, we want to highlight Quanah Jackson, who says, "I'm so excited that you're bringing the mystery sew-alongs back. Very fun, and your fabrics are always so amazing." First off, thank you for this comment. We appreciate you leaving this comment. We are also very excited for these quilt-alongs. We sorry it's been taking us so long to get back to them, but now that we are fully back into them, we are excited to get this one released, and we hope all of y'all come join us this time. If you're not part of our Facebook sewing group, you can go join that. That'll be linked down in the description below.
That'll do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. As always, we want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. You never know. Please follow us on social media. All our links are down in the description, and we will see you next week.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching.